A new anti-torpedo system has been created in the United States, and it is designed to stop not only torpedoes, but underwater drone swarms. Modern torpedoes are faster, smarter, and more unpredictable than ever. Unmanned underwater vehicles operate silently in coordination, creating a completely new level of threat. Traditional defense systems are no longer enough. They react too late and only to single targets. Maritime introduces Layered Torpedo Defense, a system built on the system of systems principle, combining detection, analysis, and countermeasures. Early detection using towed sonar arrays and advanced sensors, real-time threat analysis powered by advanced signal processing and automation, soft countermeasures, acoustic decoys designed to confuse and redirect incoming torpedoes, and hard countermeasures, physically destroying the threat when necessary. All systems are centrally controlled, reducing reaction time to a minimum. This dramatically shortens the chain from detection to neutralization. If one layer fails, others take over. Redundancy ensures survival, a decisive advantage where every second matters. Like and subscribe for more military and future technologies.